In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio for SEO. First things first, let's dive into the SEO capabilities of Wix and how you can use them to boost your site's visibility on search engines. We're focusing on a feature that's particularly useful for beginners and experts alike, the SEO Setup Checklist. To get started, make sure you have access to your site's dashboard on Wix Studio. Once you're there, locate the SEO Setup Checklist. This tool is your one-stop guide for optimizing your website's search engine presence. It's designed to make SEO not just manageable, but also effective by breaking down the process into easy-to-follow steps. The checklist helps with essential components like setting up title tags. Title tags are crucial because they tell both search engines and users what your pages are about. Think of them as the headline of your website on search engine results pages. A catchy and relevant title tag can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed. Next up, the checklist guides you through crafting meta descriptions. These are the short snippets that appear under your page title in search results. A well-crafted meta description can entice users to click through to your site. Aim to make it clear and compelling. Think of it like the blurb on the back of a book that convinces readers to dive in. Another important aspect covered in the checklist is URL slugs. These are the parts of the URL that come after your domain name, directing users and search engines to a specific page. A clear and concise slug can make a big difference, as it should reflect the content of the page in a way that's easily understood both by people and search engines alike. Remember, a neat URL structure helps not only with user experience, but also with improving your site's findability. The SEO Setup Checklist doesn't stop there. It goes further to provide smart recommendations tailored specifically to your website, offering suggestions on how to further enhance your site's visibility. This means it looks at your current setup and offers personalized advice to fill any SEO gaps you may have missed. Following these steps will not only boost your confidence in managing your site's SEO, but will also gradually improve your site's ranking in search engine results. One handy tip to keep in mind while using the checklist is consistency. SEO is not a one-time setup. It's an ongoing process. Regularly revisit and update your title tags, meta descriptions, and URL slugs, keeping them relevant and reflective of any changes or updates to your content. This diligence helps ensure that your site consistently performs well in search engine rankings over time. By following the guidance provided in Wix Studio's SEO Setup Checklist, you're setting your site up for success in the vast world of search engines. Remember that patience and persistence are key, as SEO efforts often take time to bear fruit. Keep pushing forward, and soon you'll see the benefits of your hard work in improved visibility and increased site traffic.